Understanding garlic breath, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic. The phrase, garlic breath. It's a common expression in English, often used in casual conversations. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday speech. Garlic breath refers to the strong, often unpleasant odor remaining in one's breath after consuming garlic. Garlic, though delicious and healthy, contains compounds like allyl methyl sulfide, which don't break down during digestion and are released through the lungs, causing a distinctive smell. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted or teasing manner. The term has been around for quite some time, illustrating the long-standing recognition of garlic's potent smell. While it's not a formal or scientific term, garlic breath is widely understood and used in everyday English. It's a great example of how language can reflect common human experiences. In many cultures, garlic is a staple ingredient, loved for its flavor. However, due to its strong smell, having garlic breath is often seen as a social faux pas, especially in Western cultures. This phrase embodies the cultural significance of personal hygiene and social etiquette in these contexts. You might hear someone say, "I love this garlic pasta, but I'll definitely have garlic breath after this." It's a casual and colloquial expression, perfect for informal conversations. Remember, it's not used in formal or professional contexts. Garlic breath is more than just a phrase about food. It's a small window into cultural attitudes and everyday experiences. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.